For example, let's take a look at a job that everyone who manages process safety applications has to do: bypassing and critical alarms. One common way to do bypassing is with hardwired switch panels. Now, this is a costly way to go. A cabinet has to be bought, switches wired, nameplates engraved, it has to be tested, shipped to site, installed, and tested again. Can you see the dollar signs going up? An even worse way to bypass is using safety system configuration software to manually disable tags. The safety standards strictly forbid the use of configuration tools to do maintenance and operations actions. But even if they did not, this is still a highly error-prone process. Back to my days as a young engineer. I recall working with a customer who tripped his plant 3 times in one day due to disabling the wrong tag while trying to implement a bypass. Do you think the profitability of that plant took a hit that day? What about critical alarms? Many people used hardwire annunciator panels or light boxes. Remember the comment on 70s technology? Lastly, let's look at the DCS. The DCS is used for doing both bypassing and critical alarms. But is this efficient? The DCS's job is to manage the operations of the plant and should be kept separate from safety applications. Alarms that are critical can get lost in the myriad of events in an alarm flood. Common industry communication protocols are well known to cyber hackers and are prone to man-in-the-middle attacks. Using the DCS also requires a high degree of custom configuration to implement, which may not be sustainable as resource transition. All of the tools I've mentioned can and are used today. But you know, if I try really hard, I can drive a nail with a screwdriver. I'll probably bend a lot of nails and ruin the screwdriver. And it won't really be that safe, as I'll probably miss the nail often and hit my thumb. But there is a tool which is fit for the purpose of driving nails. It's called a hammer. Schneider Electric has a tool which is specifically fit for the purpose of managing safety bypasses and critical alarms. It's called SafetyView, the only such tool in the world which is certified for both cybersecurity and safety in up to SIL 3 applications. SafetyView is going to lower your cost, make you safer, and ultimately, more profitable. I'm Chris Stogner, the leader of the Triconics business for Schneider Electric.